Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to do a room tour of our Sea Terrace cabin on Virgin Voyages Resilient Lady cruise ship. So this is a general layout of the ship, and our room was on the 9th floor on the A side. So there's the A side, there's the Z side. We were on the A side, and we were also towards the back. I will say my motion sickness was not having it, but it was a very convenient location near the elevators, and we booked this last minute, so weren't that many options. First things first, upon check-in, you will receive a digital wristband, and that's what you will use to unlock your room. You'll use that to charge things to your room and also for your muster station check-in. This was our first time walking into the room, and y'all, when I tell you guys I was impressed, okay? The fact that the curtains opened automatically, top tier. In the back of the door, there is this panel, so you'll touch the top for the do not disturb, and then if you want your room service, you'll touch the bottom. And this projects on the outside of your door so they know whether to come in or not, which is pretty cool. So you do have plenty of storage space over here. You have baskets, a place to put your luggage, and let's see, in here you also have your life jackets. The safe is located in there, and there's also a full-length mirror. There's two of them in this room. One is right there, the other one is on the outside of that door. On the back of the bathroom door, you do have your thermostat. Now, there are no numbers. I think it's just one of those taps so you figure out the right temperature type of situations. But I mean, it felt fine in our cabin the entire time, so no complaints there. This bathroom was really nice, and I will say I think this is the nicest and biggest bathroom that I have ever experienced on a cruise ship for a standard room that was not a suite. It's actually a decent size. The shower is a decent size. You also don't have the curtains. You have the glass door. You have your shampoo, conditioner, body wash. All of that's located in there as well. So overall, really like the bathroom. Let's get to the rest of the room. So there are plenty of wall outlets and USB charging ports. As you can see, there were 3 on that side. There's 3 on the other side. I believe that's it. You have a decent sized TV. The bed, it was 2 doubles pushed together to make the queen. You have your side tables, lighting, all of that good stuff. And there's also additional storage underneath that bedside area. Now, you will have to download the app, but you will have paper copies throughout the ship as well of the schedule and things that are going on for that day. So let's get into this tablet, which is really cool, which controls everything in the room. So you can control the room temperature, the lighting. There's a button to turn on and off the lights, which is really cool. Something that I have not seen anywhere else is they have different moods. So this one is called Pump It Up. You tap it, the up lighting in the room changes and it opens up the curtains. For example, Zen closes the curtains, changes the colors. There are other options for you to choose from as well. And also use the tablet to control the TV in your room. So if you would like to watch live TV, listen to music, you have those options. You will also have to watch the safety video prior to heading to your muster station, so you can do that in your room, or it gave us the option to watch it on our phone because we weren't in our cabin at the time, so we did that and it was fine. You also have a wide selection of movies and series to watch, and I believe I heard from another video, I didn't check, but the selection changes every day, so you have lots of options. Side note, if you would like to see what our experience was on this cruise ship and also see a full walkthrough tour, make sure that you're subscribed because I will be posting additional videos, and you can also find those links down below. Another cool option is if you need your room serviced. So for example, if you need your room cleaned, if you need water, fresh towels, or ice, you can send that through the tablet as well. Or you do have the exact same option via the app. Do refill your water every day. If you need more, you can always request more. You also have a mini fridge. There was nothing in ours, although we did bring lemonade, and so we put that in there. Now let's check out this balcony. Oh, something to keep in mind, unless your door is shut all the way and locked, the AC does turn off. So let's say you're chilling on the balcony, the AC will be off since obviously you can't lock the door from the outside. Just something to keep in mind. Personally, we were here in November, and we didn't notice a difference, maybe because it wasn't terribly hot, but just keep that in mind. Our balcony was a decent size. You do have the hammock, you have 2 standard chairs, and a smaller table. The sunsets from the balcony were top tier, 10 out of 10. Really pretty, and the sail away view from the balcony was really nice as well. Again, if you would like to see additional videos of this cruise ship, like a tour and see our full experience, those videos will be linked down below. That is all that I have for you guys for this video. Please make sure that you're subscribed, share this with a friend, and I'll see you guys next time.